Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, hope everybody had a good 4th. We got the back end of kind of a weird week. You had 2 days, Tuesday's a half day, yesterday was a holiday, now we got 2 days left, and then we have Saturday. What we're seeing here on the daily chart is an inability by the bears to expand the downside, at least so far. You've got support at the 100-day exponential moving average. You also, at the same time, have an inability of the bulls to take out the daily midband, an inability to close really above the blue line there, the 9-day and the 50. So as we head into today, I want to see, is this another overshoot above the 9-day that's going to end up closing below, or are they going to be able to close above and then go to work on the daily midband, which is up in the area of basically 53 to 55 by the time we get there. That's going to be important. The bulls can't go back and deal with any of these higher areas until they resolve the baseline ability of this market to become buy dips again. The baseline buy dip mentality won't return until we establish the daily midband as support. So far, it continues to be a rally sell market. We have, right now we're in the midst of effectively about a 20-25 handle rally, depending on where you're looking at it from. And until you start to see things like the monthly pivot at 27.3667, things like the highs from Tuesday, the highs from last Thursday turn into support, then this rally is just another sell. And the bulls are going to have to overcome that. Selling rallies has paid. Being early these rallies has gotten you run over. So you got to be patient, and then the air comes out. So today is going to be critical from a standpoint of which side of that 9-day simple moving average are we going to close on. So you look at an hourly chart. You can see where late last week we made our 26.93 low. You've got some consistent support here. They sold that rally, they sold this rally, they sold this rally, but they're not finishing on the downside. So what you end up with is a series of higher lows and a series of lower highs. You got another potential lower high here. I mean, that's basically a triangle. Trying to assume which way it's going to ultimately break can get you into real trouble. Basically it's a series of rally sells and then they defend the lows. The story of 10 to 15 is really going to tell us a lot. So, you have to take a hard look at what this wants to be. As the hourly midband reaches up towards the weekly pivot there at 27.24, any type of a regular session reaction back to that level today is going to be important. The nice part is, that's 10 handles and it's 20 handles to the lows. So there's plenty of volatility, plenty of opportunity to come in and make your day. And that's what we've been doing in the room recently. So, enjoy the volatility. Don't assume that, every top is the end of the rally, because that gets you short and adding and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. At the same time, you can't be buying dips too early. You end up holding the bag in the other direction. So it's not an easy tape to trade, but it's a tape where, you can find some really nice chunks if you're patient. All right, everybody have a great day. I'll be out on social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.